Hello everyone. Welcome to mypluginkit.com. In this video, you will learn how to install the Rank Math Pro SEO WordPress plugin. First, download the Rank Math Pro SEO plugin from your account's Download section. Once the download is successful, upload the downloaded plugin to your WordPress site by navigating to the Add New Plugin option under the Plugins section. After uploading, activate the plugin. Please follow the steps demonstrated in the video to correctly install and activate the plugin. I hope you've learned from the demonstration how to install the Rank Math Pro SEO WordPress plugin. If you have any queries regarding the installation, please don't hesitate to chat with us or submit a support ticket. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.